Contactless power transmission with DST magnetic couplings, your reliable alternative to conventional sealings. Our couplings are hermetically sealed and ideal for environmental solutions. We design high-performance couplings up to 25,000 Newton meters. With more than 1,000 magnet configurations and a wide selection of canisters, our couplings are usable in a broad variety of applications. Our products function excellently even in the most extreme conditions. We use modern calculation and simulation software and have mastered the complex interplay of torque, temperature, and pressure. We can meet all your requirements and offer solutions from 30 years of field-tested expertise. With our individual and standard design high-quality products, we offer sustainable and long-lasting values. This makes our couplings perfectly suitable for many industries. DST. No leak, no wear, full force.